After a payment has been recorded in the system, finding that receipt is simple. We start by clicking on the Finance tab and then click Payments. Here on the Payments page, we will see a list of all recorded payments. Go ahead and search for the payment you're looking for using the search bar. Once you find the right payment, click on the magnifying glass icon to open up the receipt for that payment. And there's your receipt. You'll see all the key details right here. The payment amount is on the left, the transaction date is in the middle, and the payment method is on the right. You'll also see the customer name, any tip amount that was left, the payment details, and payment method. You'll also see any notes that were added here, and you can add more notes. If you need a physical copy or a PDF for your records, no problem. Just click the Download Print PDF button. The receipt will download directly to your device. If you want to send a receipt directly to your customer, click the Send Receipt button. You'll see the option to send it via email or text message, whichever your customer prefers. Once you select your method, a pop-up will appear where you choose which template you want to use for the receipt. If you're sending by email, the customer's email address that you have on file will already be filled in for you. But if they need it sent to a different address, you can change it here. You can also add CC emails here if needed. Then you just hit Send. If you want to choose a different email template to be the default receipt template, you can change it by going to Settings, then clicking Invoices, Estimates, and Receipts, and scroll down until you see Default Receipt Settings. Here you can select a different template from your template list. You can also select if you want a PDF of the receipt to be attached to the email. To edit what the receipt email says, you can go to the Email tab, Email Templates, find the template that you're using, and click the pencil button. Here you can change the body of the email and the subject. When you're done, hit Update Template.